Hi Internet, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the topic that has been on everyone's mind lately, job losses in the tech industry. And yeah, I know it sucks, but it's no secret that major companies are downsizing, leaving many of us wondering about our own job security. In this video, I've done some research. I can't call it deep research. It has been some bit of research to uncover the true extent of the situation. Join me as we explore the reasons behind these layoffs, how they might affect you, and most importantly, the steps you can take to navigate this uncertainty. Stick around to discover the way forward for those who have found themselves unexpectedly unemployed, and let's jump right in. Now, before we delve into the current situation, let's rewind a bit. We are all familiar with the infamous visitor that touched down in Wuhan, a certain alien virus that wreaked havoc globally, better known as pandemic or COVID-19. It was a trying time for everyone. And as the world scrambled to contain the virus, we had strict lockdown measures that forced people indoors. Businesses shuttered their physical locations and pivoted into the digital realm. With people stuck at home, online consumption skyrocketed. There was a surge in demand for online services like Uber Eats, Netflix, Amazon, and services from Google, thriving like never before. And as these businesses flourished, their need for expansion became apparent, flushed with lots of funds, and they embarked on accelerated development initiatives, investing in research and experimenting with various avenues to boost their revenue streams and innovative products. This surge in growth paved the way for an influx of new hires across the tech industry, and a trend observed globally during the pandemic. The demand for fresh talent spanned various roles, from programmers tasked with developing cutting-edge software and data scientists tasked with extracting valuable insights from data to optimize products and service delivery from an increasing homebound clientele. Additionally, the surge in online activities created opportunities for roles such as customer service representatives, delivery personnel, and so many others. Remote work, once rare, became the norm, opening up avenues for individuals worldwide to contribute to these industries from the comfort of their homes. Consequently, the plethora of both essential and non-essential roles emerged, reshaping the landscape of employment during these unprecedented times. Now, let's fast forward to the post-pandemic era, with restrictions lifted and life returning to a semblance of normalcy, clients regaining their freedom to visit physical stores and businesses. However, this return to pre-pandemic routines unveiled a harsh reality for many companies. They had overextended themselves during the boom years. So, faced with this realization of financial vulnerability due to overexpansion, companies began to reassess their operations. This introspection triggered the wave of layoffs that you're seeing now, as organizations are streamlining their workforce in response to the bloated infrastructure accumulated during the growth phase. So this is one of the reasons why you're seeing so many layoffs. Let's explore other reasons as to why we have these layoffs. Companies are prioritizing lean operations. There is a growing trend among businesses to operate with greater efficiency and agility. Maintaining a leaner workforce allows companies to adapt quickly to a changing market condition and reduce overhead costs, and this leads to improved profitability. The goal is usually just to make money. So if you chop workforce, the money that you would have paid them will be part of the profit. So this, on top of the poor performance and underutilization of resources, may lead to companies downsizing. Next is advancement of AI and automation. So the automation technologies powered by artificial intelligence are increasingly capable of performing tasks that were previously handled by humans. And as companies invest in AI-driven solutions to streamline these operations, certain roles may become redundant, leading to layoffs. Next is focus on high growth areas. We have companies that opt to concentrate their resources and efforts on high growth sectors or core business areas while divesting from less profitable ventures. And these strategic shifts may lead to layoffs as resources are reallocated to those sectors that they see profitable, while those ones that can't fit are sent back home. Related to that is business pivoting. Companies undergoing strategic transformations or pivots may need to restructure their workforce to align with the new objectives or market demands, resulting into layoffs in departments or divisions that no longer fit the revised business model. Build relationships. Cultivate strong relationships with colleagues, mentors, and stakeholders. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and provide support during challenging times. Communicate effectively. Clearly communicate your ideas, your progress, and achievements to colleagues and supervisors. Effective communication fosters collaboration and ensures alignment with organization objectives. Stay visible. Actively participate in Teams meeting. In Teams, turn on your cameras. Yeah, you should actively participate in team meetings, projects, and initiatives to maintain visibility within the organization. Make your contributions known and advocate for yourself when appropriate. You should show initiative. Take ownership of your professional development and seek out opportunities for growth and advancement. Proactively identify problems and propose solutions to demonstrate leadership potential. Next, stay positive and adaptable. Maintain a positive attitude and approach challenges with solutions-oriented mindset. Adapt to challenging circumstances and setbacks with resilience and determination. You should stay connected. Keep your network active both within your organization and in a broader tech community. Engage with industry events, forums, and online communities. Stay connected and informed about job opportunities and trends. There is a question that you may ask, that there are some companies that are having layoffs, very huge layoffs, but if you go to their site, you find that they're advertising for jobs. So why do they have jobs advertised when they are laying off? So one of the reasons is strategic reallocation of resources. While certain departments or divisions may be downsizing, other areas of the companies may still require additional talent. So by advertising job openings in strategic growth areas, companies can reallocate resources to focus on high priority projects or initiatives. The other reason is replacing underperforming employees. So they're firing those ones who are underperforming, and then they're hiring, looking for people who can perform. So layoff may result from poor performance or mismatch between employee skills and company needs. In such cases, companies may simultaneously seek to replace underperforming employees with candidates who possess the requisite skills and expertise. Then there is long-term planning. Companies may anticipate future needs or expansion opportunities despite current layoffs. Advertising job openings allow them to proactively recruit and build a pipeline of qualified candidates to meet future demands and maintain competitiveness. That's why you see some companies are laying off software engineers, and then they're hiring data scientists, because they're thinking about how they'll use AI in their companies. Next is maintaining workforce diversity. Companies recognize the importance of diversity and inclusion in their workforce. So even during layoffs, they may prioritize diversity initiatives by actively recruiting candidates from underrepresented groups to ensure a diverse and inclusive workplace. Then there is external perception of reputation. So continuously advertising job openings can help companies to project an image of stability and growth to external stakeholders, including customers, investors, and broader community. This can be crucial for maintaining confidence in companies' long-term prospects and attracting top talent. Then the next one is the reason why they keep the jobs there is compliance and legal requirements. In some cases, companies may be legally obligated to advertise job openings externally, especially if they have received government assistance or they are subject to labor laws that require transparency in hiring practices. Yeah, so that's what I have for you today. Hopefully you've learned something and you are prepared just in case. All references and links to any code that I've used or any article that I read to compile this information for you can be found in the description. With that, thank you guys for watching. I don't know if you liked this video today. I certainly did. If you did, hit that like, and if you're new here, consider subbing, and always I will see you in the next video. Bye.